Hello. In this video tutorial, we will see how you can create and manage content libraries in RecurPost. RecurPost is a great tool to share evergreen content through social platforms. And to do so, we have devised what we call libraries. Libraries are like folders on your computer. They organize the content not only by a particular theme or subject, but also by the frequency with which you would like the posts to get published to your social platforms. In RecurPost, we have three kinds of libraries: recurring, one-time use, and seasonal libraries. To get a better understanding of how these libraries work, let's head over to the Recurring Posts tab and try creating a few libraries. Here, click on Add New Library. As soon as you click on Add New Library, a pop-up window will appear on your screen, and here you'll be prompted to name your library and select a color code for your library. Let's go ahead and name the library. By default, RecurPost saves the library as a recurring library. If you wish to create a one-time use library, turn the toggle for one-time use library. And if you wish to create a seasonal library, select the toggle besides seasonal library. We'll discuss these two libraries in detail after understanding what recurring library is. Let me create this particular library by clicking on Add Library. Here, you'll have the option to add posts individually or by uploading them in bulk. You may also upload posts in bulk using a CSV file. For our example, let's just add a single post to the library. Add an image. And add this post to library. Next, you'll be asked to set time slots to the library. Click on Set Time Slots. Next, click on Add Recurring Time Slots. Select the social profiles that you wish to post to. And click on Add Time Slot. As you can see over here, that for my recurring library, the post would be going out on each day of the week at a set best time on toward my Facebook page and my Instagram business profile. And since this is a recurring post library, this is a great way to share my evergreen content, meaning that the posts in this library will keep on recycling and going on in a loop indefinitely. So this is an example of a recurring post library. Note that you do not see an icon anywhere on a recurring library. Next, let's try to edit this library and create a one-time use library. A one-time use library is a great way to share time-sensitive material. For instance, a post related to current news. Turn on the one-time use library toggle and click on Save. Please note that The icon that appears beside one-time use library is like so. It's an eye. For one-time use libraries, your post would not get recycled once it gets published to your social platforms. And once they get published to your social platforms, this particular post will then be transferred to the expired content library. Next, let's try to create a seasonal library. A seasonal library is a great way to share content that is seasonal in nature. For instance, you would like to post content during Christmas season. For posting content during Christmas, you have to select the dates, let's say if I want this particular library to start posting from 15th of December and to stop posting from 1st of Jan. So what this would do is, come every 15th December, this particular library would become active and start posting content from this particular library according to the time slots that we have set, and would become dormant or inactive from 2nd of January. So this particular library would stay active only for 16 or so days between the timeline mentioned here. Please note that seasonal libraries are indicated by this particular icon. So, I hope you have got a better understanding of what different kinds of libraries are in RecurPost. If you have any other queries, please reach out to us on support@recurpost.com. Thank you.